Pa, 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 pa. Mm-hmm. There you are, Twitch. That took a bit. Yeah. We just have shut my phone. There you go. That should be it. Da, 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 da. Need my horrible spelling. Just wanna make sure. Don't wanna. Not much actually. Basically just doing my own little thing here. Seeing who's joining in. And also clearing out a little bit of this. Well, this code needs a bit of cleaning before I really can start using it much. Some labeling and so on and so forth. Especially when it's a simpler code. God damn. So many small things. And being able to hide stuff away that I don't need is nice. That I can just, yeah, expand the things I need to do. But then, welcome anyways. Let me just there, I think. Yeah. Just needed to make sure that my little avatar here isn't completely screwed up. No, I'm not. I'm actually programming a little side project I've gone for a few days. It's a little program to make characters on the Commodore 64. And not player characters, something, it's just, yeah, characters for a fontset that I'm gonna be able to use on it. Hope the music isn't too loud. I'm actually gonna turn it down a little more. Yeah. Now I'm just started to jam out to this. Just jam to the music. What is this now? This is the screen clearing event. Oh, it's never to call here. So. I also want to be able to just clear out the color RAM as well. So, that might actually be the next piece of code I'm gonna do. Just set it to one specific value. Up here I could go ahead and the boot sequence. It isn't really a boot, it's more the initialization. And it. But here I want to set the colors of the border to one specific color. What color is it though? I should have somewhere where I could see the what the value of the colors is. Don't get why I can't just call these PK pipes or something. Should be a thing I should, could be able to, but it doesn't seem like it. Tried once before, didn't work. But for black, it's just 0. And I'm gonna store that into both border color and store that to background color as well. And after that, I could actually just have it in this normal start area. I'm gonna do that. Just place it here. Should be fine. Close the initialization code and yeah, even call the function there to black out this character. Around. So yeah, I'm gonna work on that code after. Just get it up and working instead of just sitting there. So I wanna load 0 into the A register, which is already the case, but always nice to have it just if something goes wrong. Load ff into x range if equal. Oh, hey, how's it going? I'm not really doing much. It's mostly just one of my projects. Yeah, that I've started working on again. Not the biggest thing. And it's of course not easy to work with because there's a lot of different data I need to remember when I'm playing around with all these things. I need to have control of all of it. Nothing is left untouched by my hands in this. I could remove that. Wait a second. Wait a second. Isn't that... Ah, okay, I forgot. That's the memory addresses I want to use for the serial port to hold temporary data. I forgot. So this is the starting. Yeah, this is holding 2 bytes, which is gonna hold the hex the hex value for the address that holds the data I want to read into the disk drive, and also receive at one point. So for now, 2 bytes. Just so I can remember that this is an address. Oh wait. There we go. Okay. This is holding the device I'm currently talking to. This is gonna actually just be a 4-bit memory. Yeah, temporary memory. Language, it's not working with me here. But that's the current device I have connected up with one of the chips. That's going to be called with a specific ID. So, so device ID, I would say. Yeah, that sounds like a suitable name. If A is the data address I want to use for that. And I'm gonna note that down a little later. I need to note some other stuff down as well, like the things in CIA1 and CIA2. And that's 2 of the chips that's gonna help me out talking with some other peripherals and such. Well, that's gonna be for a later part. Right now I wanna just get some of the other stuff going. Like, yeah, clearing out the character color RAM real quick. I could change the name of this. Color RAM clear, maybe? I could also say set color RAM. Yeah, I'll do that. Set color RAM, and then I'm gonna just use the A register, what's already in it. So that one is unneeded. So I already have the data I need for that. So LDA there. So I have the value I want to use for that. Then I just need to loop through the entirety of the color RAM. If I'm not wrong, there's multiple areas I need to do that. So that is... Where is it? Character ROM. Is it further down somewhere? Color RAM, that is. It's 1000 bytes. So 8, 9, A and B. That's the 4 places. So this is the first one. Then there's the second sector. Oh. Which is gonna be modified like so. Just gonna have a little offset built into it. I'm just gonna write to it sequentially, one after another. Oh. Like so. From 8 to B, that's 4 at different address areas. That's also gonna be... There's also a few unused ones, but I don't really need to think about those. They don't interfere with anything, so I don't need to play around and try to fit it like I need to with... what was it? It's screen RAM or screen memory. But that was the same with screen memory. It actually ended up overwriting the registers, the 3 button registers I need to use. Oh, wait, it's actually 6 to redirect the chip to some subroutines I have. So that's a no-go for that at least. But for those I don't really care. There's nothing in that place. I could use it for some substitute data perhaps at one point, but clearing it, that's fine enough for me for now. That is from D8 to DBFF, which is these 4 lines looped around a few times to get the entire thing out. I actually need to do that after this jump. It needs to be moved actually. Also, it's not gonna work. There we go. Or else I'm gonna be missing 1 place in 4 different areas, so that's not what I want. But this routine is done, basically. Just need to save the X register before I go in and play around with it. After that I'm done. So TXA to transfer that to the A, yeah, from X to A, then PLA. That will just place it in the stack. If I haven't completely forgotten the order of it, the PHA. My bad. It's gonna take what's in the A register and put it onto the stack, which is from memory address 0100 to 01FF, which BASIC normally uses, but I have disabled that for quite a while ago. So PLA to pull that off, and then transfer the data back from A to X. Well, I'm done with that. To put it back to a known proper state again, I could also say PHA to place what's in the A register already on the stack and pop it off again. Yeah. Just so it's the same data that's in the registers as it was before I entered the subroutine. And that's basically done. So color RAM fill. It's always so fiddly. Come on, there we go. Yep. And oh, there we have it. One letter wrong. No. It's basically just a learning project I've set myself on to learn how to program in 6502 assembly code. So I don't really have any final goals in mind for this. Commodor that so it sits neatly and tight. Now, that's space. But it's basically a font creation tool that's gonna run on the virtual machine itself. So I can just draw directly in it and get out the hex values I need to plug it into my own program here that I'm gonna make later on. It's basically just to make life a little easier for me and learn how the machine itself works. So yeah, nice. Well, nice. I don't need to think about these yet, but I'm not gonna use the serial bus for anything. But I have basically the whole framework going already. I just need to make the program itself. So I have a color RAM clear or fill event it is. Should name it a column support. Color RAM fill. Yeah. Wow. There we have it. Color RAM fill. Then we have a screen clearing event for subroutine as well to clear out any data I don't need on the screen. And yeah, have tested it, it functions as it should. Could also make it so it takes an argument, but lazy. It's not even needed because I can just fill it out separately at one point. Have it separate fill routine for it if I want to do that. But this one took a while to get working. The load character set from 1 to RAM routine here. It's mostly because I ended up screwing up one of the arguments, which was the RAM char upper. I have accidentally left it with a little offset up here somewhere, right here, with 20 instead of just a pure alignment. So I didn't really know what happened until I ended up looking up there. Yeah, there's a few things I can do with this. And it's all neat. Try to organize it as well as I could. So, yep. And it should be all good. If I try and compile it, well, we have it, and save it to this. And I need a separate program to modify the disk image. So plop this new file in and save that. And where's the emulator? Here it is. So it goes up as normal, but something isn't right. Yeah, could that be the issue? Or is it let's see. The screen clear functions should be fine. Or have I fucked up something else? It is still in the right memory area, but what it's doing. So it's stuck in this loop right here. Alright, that's not nice. It's a little horrible actually. If it shouldn't get stuck in that. Okay, let me just reset by dragging it in there again. Reset. And I forgot to set a breakpoint. I could just there. Step it a few times. I want to stop it at 8CF. I guess it does, yeah. Make 8CF. Then have the command ready. Drag it over and reload. Okay. So I'm at that part as I need to be. It starts out. Wait a second. Yeah, this is correct. But I didn't know colorway was that quick to write to. Maybe it is just me. And why did it skip that for the first time? Wait a second. Wait a second. It's carry clear I need to use. As long as that is cleared, which should be. Okay, I screwed something up. I screwed this routine up. Completely. So, let me see. We'll just delete. Oh. Delete all the breakpoints, and I want the start of this, so I need that reps. So I'm just gonna build it again so you actually can see this. Screen clear 8C8. That's the address. I want to break that. Thank you. You could just be placed there. Okay. So we set one. And put this again so it auto boots. There we have it. So what are you doing? First of all, the registers A0 access FFs C0. Okay. And I'm gonna place the A register on the stack, transfer A to X to A. That. Oh, wait a second. It wasn't. I need to clear the A register. So I need a little LDA command to clear it out because the data is getting overwritten in it. I want a 0, 0, so I know what to do. So that should actually have fixed that, I hope. Right there, and this. Delete that. Drag it over, save. Drag this over. Reset, and the registers are cleared. Nice. Couldn't I use the overflow? Yeah, the branch and overflow or something. Branch not equal. People. Okay. No. Yeah, I could use the branch and overflow, so I don't need to think about the carry bit. It's gonna have the same execution time anyways, so might as well. BBS, like so. I could actually remove one line there, because I only focus on the overflow over here. So when I get to this again, jump back, it's gonna check if it's overflowing from FF to 0. and then jump out of it. I'm gonna go. Good luck with the project. Oh, thank you, lad. Oh, I haven't noticed how symmetric these branching instructions are. Huh. It's every other hex value in the 10th place, no, the 16th place. That actually changes. That's interesting. But yeah, this should actually be working now. And because I lost track of what I was doing, I need to compile this again to make sure. There we go. Mm, 81, and we'll just return a few times because that's a little quicker to do. But it should work through it all and change it. But why is it the checkerboard pattern like that? Let me delete that. Why does it change that to the checkerboard pattern? It doesn't make sense, for 0 is the at. So it doesn't clear it correctly? Does it skip? Yeah, it skips it. It needs to be carry set. So I didn't screw it up apparently, but it still didn't get out of the loop. But it should work like that. I hope. And now it does that. A little stupid it is. It's not the smartest thing in the world. Yeah. Just return. Yes, yes, now it does it. Now it clears it out with all zeros, which is the at symbol, because that's the first character in the character set. And if I want, let me see. Actually, I'm gonna use the A register for that LDA with 20, because that's the cleared one. And wait a second. Did I fuck up the colon as well? Yes, I did. Oh, I'm genius. I'm overwriting what's in this with X. But in that circumstance, it should be 0, but yeah, fuck it. No, wait. Isn't X set to FF at that point? Because it loops through. No, wait, no, it doesn't. Oh, I see now. It actually sets it to FF again because it loads it back in. Sure, that's a no-go. Wait, I can load in what's in the A register dependent on... Ah! Yes! Why didn't I think about that? So, the stack is in memory address 0100 till 01FF, and if I alter the position depending on that, I can actually get it to the position I want. I can just go in and read the little bit, or rather byte, that I need from it. So, stack, I'm gonna have a little variable here for that, so I can easily just call for it. Oh, it was with double S. I forget that. Yeah, doesn't matter. That was a place where didn't say the code somewhere, I think. Gonna find that later. So if I say transfer stack to X, then I have the exact position in the stack. Then I can just decrement or increment that number in the X register and get the data I want. In this case, I need to decrement it twice. So the X1 and 2, and then I can use that to say LDA stack. Yeah, just correct. Stack, and then just alter that address with the X register. And no, I don't want to do that directly. But if I do, it's just gonna screw up. Trying to find another piece of music. Give me a second. There we have it, that's nice. Wait, it haven't updated that? That's... Twitch, goddamn. Goddamn Twitch. Not doing the right thing here. Are ya? I guess I need to do the same on YouTube as well. My channel, let's go. Yep, I need to. Thank God it doesn't fuck up the previous stream. Edit. Just take this. There we go. And that was it. Save it. And it should be fine on YouTube too. And what's the time? It's... I've said this so I would stop in an hour, so I think it was. But I might actually just continue for longer. I'm enjoying this. Wait a second. Nope. It's a 3-hour period, not 2. And that's fine then. But yeah, I need to fix this code. So it's here. A second, I actually need to increase it, not decrease it. Because it's from the top, or the highest value in the stack to the lowest. So it fills up in the opposite direction than you might expect. But yep. I load in the stack to the X register, increase it twice because it's not quite as you think it is. Oh wait, no, no, I'm doing something wrong there. No, wait, no, I'm not. So if I go in and say mem 10 to 10ff, no. And these down here are the registers I'm looking for. This is to jump back. Then there's these two. And at this point, the stack point is here, at this address. So if I jump back 2, I'm going to be able to read this. And to jump back, that's basically increasing that value. So if I load it in and read directly, it's going to be at this spot. So, yeah. Just to try and clear that up for myself as well. And make it a little more understandable at the same time. But now that code should actually fill it out with the thing I want and color around. And to test that out, I'm gonna say it's 8. Not sure what that color is, but I'm gonna find out. And this should also work fine. Wait, no, it's not. It's not. Because I'm overwriting that as well. And I want to clear that I wanna load. This time I actually need to jump back 3 times, but I could just go in here before it's gonna do this. So, transfer stack to X, increase X twice, LDA stack, comma X, and then it's loaded. And I can go in and pop that in, and then clear the carry bit, because that's used for this one instruction. And then load in X with 0, and then just loop through this a little bit here until it finally overflows and it jumps out. But yeah, now both of those issues are fixed. So you gotta clear this out with 20. So it's a blank counter, and then it fills it out with, yeah, 08. Actually, if I set it to 2, it should actually be the character B. And 3 should be D. I'm gonna use D for this to test it. And yep, that's saved. I just gotta jump in, do my stuff here. So, there, save that. And then drag this up. And now it's doing that, of course. Oh, okay, C. But it didn't apply the color. But I know that little thing I did back here was correct, because it applied correctly on that. It loaded the correct font character for this. So this little thing here is functional. I could make a little macro because I'm totally gonna use this a lot to jump back in subroutines. Just to get what was in the register before it. It's a little sad you can't use transfer stack to Y, so that will just open up a little more possibilities. But no. But why isn't this the right thing? Let me see, where is it? It was here. There. Constants. 15 is the highest, which is all ones in 4 bits. And this, that should be within this region as well. For this character, this number here is the upper 4 bits, this is the lower 4 bits. F is a full out 1, 1, 1, 1 for the 4 bits. That one area. 8. That should be the most significant bit, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it is. It's just this one. So that should be orange. Why isn't it doing that then? Oh, I'm a genius. I just closed that. Now you can see the program I'm using for that. Just for a second. But yeah, that's what I use to actually get an avatar going. It's nice. But why isn't this getting applied correctly? Store a color. Can it be that I have set it to the wrong value up here, maybe? To color D8. And here it is. D800. No, it's correct. Why isn't it doing it then? It is the right thing. If it wasn't, it wouldn't even compile. Why? Why is it no work correct? But yeah, it's only bit 0 through 3, which is the first the first 4 bits there. Why isn't it doing that correctly? PHA, GXA, PHA. And then we'll just try and do the same for this as I did for the other one. Say IMAX overflow set. Ah. And no one is watching. Hell yeah. That didn't work out. Oh no. Wait, ATSR out. Icon out. I'm just jamming out now. I'm not even really doing anything. Wait a second. Why is it still set on VR chat? Stretch. Why? Why? It shouldn't be set on VR chat. Ba, 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 ba. Ah, okay. That's what it's called. That should be it then. Twitch just not updating correctly with the stuff I want. Bah. Well, now I know that. Twitch being dumb. Why isn't this? It's this one. So pj transfer x to a, pj again. Just stack to x, decrease the choice, load that into again. On the stack. It's not changing the color. It's just like that still. Why? So there's something about this code up here that doesn't quite do what I want. I actually want put I could put all my subroutines above the normal code, but then I need to modify this one, which is a basic loader. But no, I'm not gonna do all that. We've got some initialization. It's gonna, reload the character set, but this is basically the first load of it. So, just the name of the subroutine. Just let's me easily reload the entire thing into memory from one single place. And I'm definitely gonna use that at one point. Yeah, maybe not. I could just copy it over from, yeah, it's this thing down here. Just copy this entire thing right here. And just plop it right up here instead, where this subroutine jump is. I might actually do that, because why do I need to reload the character set or front set? I can easily just put it down in the subroutine again. So yeah, up it goes. Oh. And if I really wanted to, I could unroll this entire loop. So it is just a straight point A to B copy. But that's gonna be a lot of lines to write. So I'd rather not. And I could just remove this entire thing here, because that's not needed down there anymore. Just have two separate scenes, called one here and here. They can take an argument, that's loaded into the accumulator. Wait a second, I can do something smarter than just... That's gonna be way quicker to do. Just say transfer Y to A. Not easy. Just use the Y register for this. I don't need to think about any stack pointer or anything. It's just directly from A to B. And then transfer Y to A. There we go. That's simple. Why isn't it? Why isn't it changing? What's 1000 hex? I wonder. Ah, 3E8. I could actually just... Could go for this, just have this, there, that. I'll go. Stoppers right after, instead of one after. So, like so. Just jumps over the jump instruction, just skips it. Instead of waiting for it to jump up and then out again. Doesn't make sense to have it like that. It's also gonna save a few cycles. So that's actually a better way to do it. When's... Oh. It ended up screwing something up there. That wasn't good. What did it actually go in and fiddle with? Ow. It ended up fiddling around with this down here. Oh no. The entirety of the CIA chip. Even the mere images of it. That wasn't good. That wasn't good at all. Yeah. And drag that and save it, drag this over. And still nothing. Just go ahead and otherwise. I want to see how much code I actually have. There should be a way to just open them all. Where is it? Regions, expand all, and collapse all. The top part isn't even code, it's just variables. Holy shit. There's definitely more. Okay, there's still a lot of code. But it's mostly this subroutine that takes up a lot. No wait, this routine and the two subroutines down here that takes the most. There isn't even really any code let it run every 10th frame. Not yet, at least. Mm-hmm. No, this code is correct because it actually fills it out with C's. And so this, if this is set to 4, it's gonna change it to D's. Mm-hmm. Water. Yeah. I should really have started streaming earlier because I don't have any problems running all of this. It's just going. There's no issues at all. I love it. Love it. But I still need to wait all this. So, when it enters, it has a specific variable. No, a specific number in the Y register, and that's gonna be loaded in to the A register. And 0 is gonna be loaded with 0, no, X with 0. Store the A, what was in the Y register, into this memory location. Do the same for this, and that. Increment X. If it overflowed, jump out. Otherwise, jump back. This is... oh. No, don't do that. This is basically... this is the basic loader itself. The instruction for basic... I think it's these three. And a space. Then number, 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 and number. That makes sense like that, but I'm not sure. And then we have machine code. Put the rest down here. From 8030 all the way down till 93A. I haven't really done much. But yeah. I definitely need to figure out what the hell is going on with this. It's not doing what I wanted to do. But it's definitely returning the data to the right places again. Wait a second. There's one thing I'm looking for. So PHP. If I say CV, CV. What is that instruction? Gotta be set something. Oh, class. Yeah. Clear overflow. It's a CLV. CLV. Oh, then I need to, of course, PLP to pop the registers up again. Yeah, that should be it. Fixed also a possible problem I could run into the other one at one point. So that's neat. Stop that. Oh. There. Let's drag this over. All these, but it doesn't change the color of them. Why? Why? Why you not doing what I want? Well, I might be looking at it a little later. If I'm gonna stop in not that long. Would be nice if it could actually mix the songs around. There we are. Okay, it's set quite well, I guess. But my mental capacity have definitely dropped after all of these troubles. So I need to take a break soon. But why isn't it working correctly? I don't get it. It goes into this. Wait, does it even go into the subroutine? That's a good question. Does it? I just scroll down, find it. It's at 87, that's entrance. Okay, 87. So reset one, drag it back over, and there. What? What? Hello, McKenna. Why is that? Carry set. If that is if it overflowed. Let me see. Is it just stuck in a loop? It might have been stuck in a loop all this time without me noticing. Inside of the screen clear subroutine. That's great. Just gonna wait until it actually hits FF so I can see. Takes a while. and E8. Okay, so carry wasn't set there. But what now? Next one. Oh. Aww. I don't even... I will unsure if I've set some of the stuff up. I know that you can't give me any money but bits. I have no idea. Is it because you don't have any, maybe? Take me bits. But if you don't have any to give, oh. Well. Okay, then it's something I need to check about. Nice. This is stuck in a loop. Why is it? Okay, I know what to do. No, I don't want to. If it's not equal, no wait. If it's not negative. It sets it as negative when it goes past one certain point. Well, it's your pets. It's not mine. Okay, I'm actually not sure what to do because it's not going ahead and does the thing I want. But get stuck in that. If I go in and check the compare command. Compare sets likes as if a subtraction has been carried out. I might actually end up streaming for half an hour extra, just because. Why isn't this? What? Why isn't the overflow flag set? Is that only a thing when... okay. Okay. That's weird. So, a command can set those two. The overflow flag is generally misunderstood, and therefore under utilized. All subtractions are all overflow. Oh, okay. That's a bit weird. But now I know that. So the overflow flag is a little bit different. So INX. That affects the sign and zero flag. So I actually need this instruction to be applied. Equal to 0. Oh wait, it actually needs to be right here. Oh, no, here. And why is people texting me on Steam now? I'm still gonna stream for half an hour or so, so that's not peeps! I'm serious! Who is texting me? It doesn't make sense. Wow. Okay, let me. Where's them? There. Just gonna blur the shit out of this. There we go. The fuck, mates? For fuck's sake, you two. Stop texting me on Steam! Come on, peeps! No, I accidentally closed my windows. Ugh. Look what you have done. I gotta pull them up again. I should close all the windows. Give me a second. And the last one was this one. There we go. Oh, I even closed the window up there. There we go. Thank you. You know what? I'm gonna have this up there from now on, so if I need to check anymore, I can just go directly for it. And okay, great. I think I just screwed up my setup a little bit here. But now I have as filter on. Ah, okay, that's why. Ah, I can actually set a filter directly on a scene. I didn't know that. I don't like how in sync you two are. For it's basically the same message 3 of the times. Oh, wait, 4 actually. It's weird. I don't like it. But yeah. But I gotta... Wait, I technically have fixed this, because it was just going into an endless loop. I just need to do the same for this one up here. Just there, and... I could have that there, but nah. Gonna keep it like it was before. Like so. And this should actually work. So it isn't getting stuck in a constant loop. And there. Wait a second. Close that. And that too. Discord as well. I should have closed those things. But I didn't. Because I'm a little down. Put this on. Save it. Drag it over. And use that one. And it's stuck in a loop again. Great! Is it ever gonna stop this? I just want it to function. Wait a second. No wait, it's still in the routine down here. Oh wait, no, it's up here. I'm not gonna check Steam anymore. Just letting you two know. I'm not checking Steam. So I have a little project I wanna see a little closer to completion. And checking Steam and chatting with you two all the time doesn't really get me to that goal. But I need to find out a way to actually get over that last bit of here. Wait a second. I'm doing it on the wrong thing. I need to compare it with X. Oh, so I had a little issue on that front too, and yeah, re all you want. But yeah, let me see. When it gets to 0, it jumps back, does that the last time. Wait a second. Oh. Oh. It clears the 0 flag. Oh. So I actually need to have it on top, or just saving it and loading it afterwards. I think it's easier just to put it in here. Just gonna short circuit it. Save it. And then I gotta have. Oh, it's there. This. There. Save. Put this in. Reset. Oh. What happened there? That's an. It tried to do something, then ended up stopping. Now it's doing that. Great. When there's a lot of problems. So. Wait, what? Just skip it. If equal to 0. Well, I'm not smart, ain't I? I need to do it after the increment. No, wait, I could just decrement it. I don't have two screens yet. Well, I do, but Discord is gonna show up on the main screen and I need to just blow it out to oblivion. I'm gonna do that. Fuck it. Screw it. There we go. Blow up to 30. And fade it. Yep. So hello. Okay, Discord. Hello. Hello, hello. If it will open. Come on. There you go. Oh. Well, I'm far from that goal already. So, yeah. I need to work up on that before I actually can get bits to work. So, yeah. But then it makes sense I haven't set it up because it's not unlocked from yet. Might as well unplug again. Well, that's over. And close Discord because I'm gonna tab a lot between programs. And remove blur, thank you. Okay then. Yep. Let me see. So BQ end. Could be there instead. If it starts out at 0, and then it runs through this, increments it once, then it's not 0 anymore, so it needs to be like that, or else it's not gonna do it more than just one single time. And then suddenly I'm on... No wait, that's an... Wait. It says that's for viewers on Twitch on my second monitor, while on the phone it says that's too. No, it actually should do the right thing here. Oh, hold up a second. This is for the color. I can already see the changes there. If I will run through. And at one point there's gonna be an entire block of color. And here it comes. And it's actually gonna end up finishing before it have drawn the entire frame. Looks like. Maybe not quite. Yeah, not quite, but the rest of it is gonna be correct. And just a few more time. Oh, it's out. It's out of it. All out. Then it returns and changes some other stuff. And then into an infinite loop. Yes. Yes. It's doing what I wanted. And no, there's no one watching. Sad. Yeah, just be some limit. Oh, I can't even see that. It's I have it too small up there. But thank you anyways, whoever it was. How can I even disable the turbo mode on this? I don't want it to turbo while it's loading up. I want to have the exact moment when it starts stalling. Oh, wait. I could just say. Well, I need to check on the OBS on top, and yeah, the window on it was a little too small for me to really see what your name was, so yeah, but thank you, Sleepy. It's nice to have you here now. I'm gonna continue streaming for the next 6 minutes or so if you want to stay for that long, you're welcome. Right now I'm just troubleshooting some stuff here, see if I can get stuff going as I want. Well, I actually got lunch right in front of me right now, but I'm gonna wait myself too. Okay, then I need to reset. Make sure it's auto loaded again. Okay. And then I can set down the speed and really see what's going on. And return. Some funky stuff is gonna happen there, and then it settles in. Just as it should. But yeah. Now I just need to really get this nice little wonder going on its own. So I want to clear the screen completely, and that's character 20. I need to print And basically all of this is set up ready to be used as normal. It's all ready. Ah. Well, I don't have either of those models, and the program I'm using to actually have this avatar going doesn't take those files normally. It takes VBX files, I think it is, as the only model file format. So, nope. This is the only thing I can really use. There's also a yellow, white, and blue version of this I can use, but that's it. Nope, it doesn't use FBX files at all. I can try to fish it out, the exact model file I'm using. Let me find it. I think it's in here somewhere. No. Chat, no. Blender, no. Oh yeah, I have put it in, yes. It's just the wall files, avatars. And I think it's this one, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, VRM files is it. It has all the things that the program wants to use. I don't know her, sadly. Yeah, would be nice, but having more models I can use would be really... Yeah, it would be so great if I could use more models than just this single one. But I haven't found a way to convert FBX into VMR files yet. But I'm gonna continue looking. Okay, over to the main program itself I wanna write now. And I'm gonna make another little region here. Just for setup. And I can just collapse this because I don't need that. And I can have another region that's called main loop. Oh, that's clear. Would be nice, but the program I'm personally using for this is VC Face, and that program only supports one file, but it's really good compared to how new it actually is. I'm even on a server with the creator itself, on where they actually get in and talk with people every now and then. They're really neat, chill, relaxing, and it's also just nice, well nice. And yeah, I can even change expressions if I would want to. Without even really fiddling with anything, it's just button, button, another button. Yeah. Feels bad? Why? Why? Why does it feel bad? Oh, I'm gonna check them out in a moment when I stop streaming. I could actually do it now because I have already gone the timer set. So, yeah. But I finally got this to a state where I can start really doing the thing I wanted. Everything else have been just setting stuff up. So it's so nice. So nice. It's a program to make custom fonts on a Commodore 64, and I'm doing it on that machine itself to actually learn to program it at the same time. It's a simple little program, but it's really gonna help me out figuring out what the different things I need to do before I jump into a bigger project. And custom fonts on that is something I wanted to try and fiddle around with as well, because that's basically custom sprites and such. That's static on the background. So, yep. Just gonna program that stuff in the 6502 assembly code. Well, that's the only way you can do it. Oh, well, there's other ways, but... nah. It's more fun like this. Well, the Commodore 64 is actually a physical machine. It was released in 1987, I think it was. And I'm planning on actually making something for it. And let me see. Okay, 1982. Got my time a little wrong. But yeah, it's basically the web bin, as Americans called it. And all the code I'm gonna write is actually gonna be functional on the real hardware. But for now I don't have one, so I'm just using an emulator to test it out in. If I just reset it real quick. Yeah. And normally you can't even see the outside of that, so let me just pick some up. There we go. This is what you normally see on that machine. And yeah, I'm just learning how to fuck around with it, basically. Do my own things. Oh, okay. Nice. But I think that was it for this stream. I didn't really do much, just talking, I think, to myself mostly. And I'm gonna be back here on Saturday at, what was it? 5 my time. You can see when I'm going live on the, yeah, in the about section next time. You can also check out my schedule and see if I'm gonna be on then. If not, then yeah, I'll see you the time afterwards. Yeah, I know Discord tells you, but for the ones that don't have me on Discord, if there's some, they can get me there. Just check out the schedule. Well, I think it's fun. It's real fun to play around with. Just get an old computer to do what you want. Exactly. But it's a nightmare to do, because you need to have control of all the data yourself. Before I even could do anything, I needed to set up a lot of variables to just know where stuff is located. But yeah. Hell, a little bit of a nightmare. But now I can just go ahead and do what I want. Freaking finally. Yeah. I might continue after stream as well with this, but I'm gonna cut it completely now. So, too many words. I think it's fine. Just enough words. But I'm basically making my own game engine for the old machine. Basically, because everything needs to be built up from scratch. Even if I want to use the floppy disk system that you can connect up to it, I need to control that manually. So, a lot of fun. But I'll see you, Sleepy. It was nice seeing you in chat, having you hang around for the last bit. See ya!